Sorry, are you on the line? No. Okay. Can I have a regular BLT, please?
What's the matter? Is someone in there?
Sorry,
Yeah, she's trying to get in the bathroom.
Mike's way with the
check it out, absolutely. Oh, BLT? What about this? Someone's inside. BLT, alright. Regular is number 17.
I also have a 55 coming.
55, that's on the grill. That will be directly. Thank you. Coffee. BLT. Would you like classic or maestro?
Just classic, lettuce, tomato, and
Would you like mayo?
a little bit of mayo.
I'm good.
Any oregano sauce, anything?
No, that one comes with ham or no?
No, just bacon.
Oh, there's bacon. Oh. Which one can I get with ham?
With ham,
Yeah.
you can get like a number 2, number 3, which is ham and provolone, and we can add bacon extra.
Oh, maybe.
Would you
Yeah,
like
maybe.
ham with this?
Yeah, maybe can you add ham? Can I? Yeah.
Please. Thank you.
Thank you.
No worries. Number 3 with bacon. Or like BLT with extra ham.
Beef bacon. Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh wait, BLT.
BLT with extra ham. Yeah.
Stefan, thank you so much. Thank you.
you like some cookies?
No, that's okay. No.
There you go, sir.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Have a good day.
Take care.
Take
See
care.
ya.
Bye.